Now we'll do a demonstration of diaphragmatic breathing. What I'd first like you to do is put one hand on your chest and one hand on your stomach. And we're going to take 3 deep breaths, just normal deep breaths. Good. Now, did you feel that top hand really moving as you breathe? And when we're stressed, that tends to be the type of breathing that we engage in, is that chest breathing where the shoulders rise and fall and there's some tension there. So when we do diaphragmatic breathing, we're going to push that breath down lower into the stomach. And instead of that chest moving, it's going to remain nice and steady while your lower hand rises and falls with your inhale and exhale. So as we take a breath in and out, you're going to breathe in through your nose and then out through your mouth, slowing that breathing down and letting that air fill your belly as it goes down through the chest and expanding the belly. And then as you exhale completely, your belly is going to let go of all that air and completely exhale out. And your breath in will be about 4 seconds. And your exhale will be a little bit longer at 6 seconds. So we're going to practice, and we'll do about 3 breaths with me guiding you. And I'll say inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That exhale is a little bit longer than the inhale so that we're getting all of that byproduct of our breathing out. The inhale will be nice and steady, and a nice steady exhale. Okay. So you can close your eyes and get comfortable. And when you're ready, we'll take that first inhale, breathing in through your nose. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the mouth, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'd just like you to fall into a steady pattern of breathing, continuing to breathe deeply, filling the belly, exhaling out completely. You may envision that there's a balloon that fills as you breathe in, and then as you exhale out, all of the air from the balloon is released. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Maybe beginning to feel your shoulders relax. Your jaw relaxes too. And even your stomach begins to feel more comfortable. Nice, heavy limbs and warm relaxation circulating throughout the body. Just continue to breathe in a rhythm that's comfortable. Good.